ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं भरते कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम् वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तमा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। नपुंसकलिंग रूपाणि शत्रन्त नपुंसकलिंग रूपाणि दृष्टवन्तः। Starting from Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. In this book, in fact, we have seen, it's not new. So here, all the three linga are going to be mixed up. Ekasmineva vakyani shatrantaha bhagavaha Strilinga rupani, Pullinga rupani, Napumsakalinga rupani ekasmin vakya eva. So therefore, we have to see the Vishesha in the sentence and this Shatranta Rupam, which is Visheshana. That Visheshana is Visheshyanusaram, in keeping with the gender, Vachanam, and the Vibhakti. So that we have to do. That is the exercise here. Itaf Purvam Mayam Pullinge, Srilinge, Napumsakalinge cha. In all the three linge, Sarvasu Vibhaktishu, Yani Udaharanani Drishtavantaha, Teshu Sarveshu, Ekameva, Ekasmin Stale Eva. Ekameva Shatrantam Rupam Asi, Kintu Kadachit Ekasminev Vakye Dvitrani. Vitrani is a compound. Vischa Trascha Dvitrani. Tataha api adhikani va Shatrantarupani api bhavitum arhanti. A sentence there can be two or more Shatrantarupani of different genders. Avarane dattanam Shatrantarupanam uchitam vibhaktim Vishesha Anugunam. In keeping with the Vishesha. Vishesha Anugunam uhitva. Guessing. You don't have to guess, we know. No guessing. Uhitva taihi rupaihi riptasthanani purayata. Visheshani stulaksharaihi nirdishtani santi. It is given in bold letters. Now, for example, Rudati. Rudati, not Rudati, Rudati, Srilinga Rupam, Srilinga Pratipadikam, or we can take it as Srilinga Pratama Ekavachanam, Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam, or Gachanti, qualifying Putrim, Matra Unnitavati, mother lives. the daughter. The daughter is agachantim putrim and also crying. Rudatim agachantim putrim mata unnitavati. Mother lifts the child which is crying and approaching. Okay, the same way we can do for these exercises. Okay, you can do in turns. Mahita, you do, followed by Kausalya ji. Raja ji, can you do? If you're not well, just observe. You want to do?
Yes, Guruji.
What you
I'll
want?
try, Guru. I'll try.
So in the same order you follow. Don't have to wait for me to tell. I'm also not well. Completely throat blockage. I'm also having fever.
I
So
think
please
this is the season, Guruji. Even same condition here.
Yeah, but I didn't cancel. It was too painful body joints, but it's okay. Not doing any physical work, right? Please do. You first and then Kausalya and then Raja. Same order.
Jalpan Hasan Putram Pita Tarjitavan. So Putram. Jalpatam.
No.
1 second. Putram Pita. So Putram is object. Pita Tarjitavan. Putram Pita Tarjitavan. Jalpat is the Pratipatikam. So Jalpatam.
Jalpantam, not Jalpatam. Okay, Num will come. Sarvanamasthana pratyaya. Don't forget that. First conjugation.
Oh, sorry.
That's a problem. That's a mistake, I said. Yes, it is karma. It is object. Kartuhu ipsitam karma, no doubt. But appropriate form. Okay.
Jalpantam hasantam putram pita tarjitavan.
Yes.
dash kolahalam क्रीडन्तः dash कोलाहलं कुर्वन्तः dash बालान् सह आहूतवान् क्रीडन्तः कोलाहलं कुर्वन्तः बालान्. Correct, Guruji?
No, how can it be? Saha ahutavan. He called. Whom did he call?
Balan.
And kidrishaha balaha te.
Kolahalam kurvataha.
So kurvataha
Balan
should go in the same vibhakti as balan. So kurvat shabdasya dvitiya bhagavachanam kurvan kurvantau kurvantaha. Kurvantam kurvantau kurvataha. Kolahalam is the object for the
kridantam.
That is a karana kriya. I mean the kridatu. Karta is bala. So kolahalam.
Kridantam kolahalam.
No. Kridantam also qualifying bala only.
So
it is not the object for kolahalam. Not like that. Kolahalam is the object for kridatu. Karoti kriya. Karta is bala. And that bala is doing another action also. Therefore, it must be Kridataha.
Kridataha kolahalam kurvataha balan. Saha.
You rearrange the sentence becomes easy. Saha
ahutavan.
Balan. Kridataha balan. Kolahalam kurvataha. Kridataha balan ahutavan. Make it like the rearrange. Otherwise also you can do. Kridataha should be connected to balan, not to immediate word. Kolahalam connected to kurvataha. Kridataha not connected to kolahalam, connected to bala. Balan, therefore kridataha. Okay. Fine. Next sentence.
So, चिन्तयन् वदन् तेन दोषः न कृतः. So, इति चिन्तयता वदता तेन दोषः न कृतः.
Yes, that's good.
हसन्त्यः गच्छन्त्यः ताभिः विलम्बः कृतः. So it will be ताभिः 3 हसन्ति is the प्रातिपदिकम. हसन्तिभिः गच्छन्तिभिः ताभिः विलम्बः कृतः.
Yes. It is Strilinga Kachanti and this
हसन्ति.
Asanti num will be there. Because it is in the very Pratipadikam. Therefore num will come. Yes. Next sentence.
रुदन् dash आगच्छन् dash बालकाय माता क्रुध्यति. रुदते आगच्छते बालकाय माता क्रुध्यति.
Yes. Rodate agachate. What is the meaning? What is the
Pardon?
meaning of the sentence?
पृध्यति.
The crying Mata is angry
Is angry towards
with
angry with
Angry towards
the coming towards the balaka,
the
the
boy,
crying.
the who's crying.
the boy who is crying and coming, approaching. So Balakaya Chaturthi. Balakaya Chaturthi, because the Dhatu Krud is used. Krud, Druha, Irshya, Asuyarthanam, Yam Pratikopaha. By that sutra it is Chaturthi, towards whom the anger. Remember this.
Is directed
Don't say Mata Balam Krudyati is wrong. When anger is there, anger could be either Krudyati or Kupyati or Asuyati or Drugyati, whatever it is. Yam Prati Kopaha. That anger is directed towards whom? That will take Chaturthi. Only Kopa, not other feeling. Huh? If it is Snigdha to Snigyati, that will take Saptami. So this is specifically the Sutra rule is there. So we know only Karta and Karma and Karna, simple thing. Therefore, don't say Mata Balam Krudyati. That's wrong. Not Mataram, not Matam. Mataram Krudyati, that is wrong. Yes. Next sentence.
Next one. Gayanti, Nityanti, Natyakyai. So it will be Gayantyai, Nityantyai, Natyakyai, Paritoshikam Dattam.
Karmani Prayogaha, right? Paritoshikaha, gift, reward, prize is given. To whom? Who is the recipient of the Paritoshika? Which is karma. The karma, Karmani Prayoga, the karma goes to Karmana Yam Avipraiti Sasampradhanam. It goes to Nartaki. Therefore, it is put in Chaturthi. Okay, the same sentence, suppose if it in Kartari, then also Chaturthi only. Saha Paritoshikam Dattavan. Then you will ask Kasyai, Nartakyai only. Gayanti Nartakyai Saha Paritoshikam Dattavan. So whether Karmani or Kartari doesn't matter. Karma, the object, grammatical karma. Okay. Goes to whom? That is Sampradhana. Karmana Yam Avipraiti. The karma, what the Karta wants to connect with. He wants to connect that with the object. He wants to connect with whom or what. That is Sampradhana. Yes.
धावतः आगच्छतः घोरव्याघ्रात् पन्थः भीतः.
Pantaha.
Oh, पान्तः.
Pantaha, there is no word. Patin Shabda is there, but Patin is path, marga. Pantha, Panthano, Panthanaha, Panthanam, Pataha, declension is different. Marga. Pantaha is traveler.
Tadita.
Yes. Tena bitaha. Something is that. Tena bitaha tasya bita. So, tadita. Yes. It's good. The tadita word. Pantaha. So, pantaha bitaha. So, bitaha is afraid from what the person is afraid of. That is
Yeah.
apadana. That from what is afraid of, or from what he wants to protect from. Apada, bitratanam bhaya hetuhu. So, therefore, it is apadana panchami. It is apadana only. Apadana, don't think it is only the displacement, movement from something. Not like that. Right? Okay. So, apadana and apadana will be panchami. Yeah.
Valayam upari kshipan grinhan gachan tasya chaturyam pasya. Valayam upari क्षिपतः गृह्णतः गच्छतः तस्य चतुर्यं पश्य.
Yeah. Valayam upari.
Valayamupari Shipan. So it will be Shinpatah.
क्षिपतः.
No. Tasya chaturtam pasya. You see the intelligence. Chaturyam, it must be. Chaturasya bhavaha chaturyam. No. Chaturyam is not there. Maybe a mistake, huh? Or any other pratyaya comes, that also, because tadita is a huge section. So to my limited knowledge, chaturyam is better. I think so. Huh? Not sure, chaturyam. We don't use chaturyam. We don't say chaturyam also. We say chaturyam. Okay. So chaturyam pashya. You see the chaturyam of that person. So tasya chashti vakti. Therefore all these are chashti. Grannataha. Valayam upari kshipataha only.
Okay.
Shashti vakti. Valayam upari means
Rings.
rings. So rings is there. Valayam uparikshapataha. He throws the ring. You will see in the beach, no?
Catches.
You will throw
And
ring,
catches.
and yeah, whatever it falls on that, it belongs to you, right? But I like that game. Yeah, I got like that on Shirdi Sai Baba and Ganapati and two Krishnas recently.
Oh.
I want to get one huge statue, Lord Muruga. Oh, I spent 200 rupees. I wanted that. I can buy it by money. That's not a problem. But I want to get it by this game. I didn't get it. Next time. So next one.
बालकं तर्जयन्ती ताडयन्ती तस्याः धार्ष्ट्यं पश्य.
Drashtyam also tadita only. Drashta becomes dharshtya. You see Dhartarashtraha, all same dhatu. From the dhatu, Dhrudhatu, Dharshtyam. So Dhartarashtraha we say. So Dharshtra, Dharashtram. Right? Same meaning. So it is, so for the meaning of the sentence, Tasyaha Balakam Tarjayantim, Balak, what do you say? Tarjayantyaha, right?
बालकं तर्जयन्त्याः ताडयन्त्याः धार्ष्ट्यं पश्य.
Yeah, you see the boldness, huh? Dharshtyam. The daring of her. Balakam what is it? It's the negative way. Arrogance, something like that. Dharshtyam Pashya. How she beats that boy. Tarjayantim and Tarayantim. Tarjayantyaha, Balakam Tarjayantyaha, Tadayantyaha, Tasyaha. See the Dharshtyam, could be courage or bold, or could be arrogance also, Dharshtyam, that meaning also is there. From Drishtaha, the word is come. Dridhatu is Dharane. Ta Pratyaya, that which is old, that which is supported, protected. From that we get Dharshtyam. Okay, next one.
आकाशं पश्यन् चिन्तयन् गच्छन् तस्य पतनं निश्चितम् आकाशं पश्यतः चिन्तयतः गच्छतः तस्य पतनं निश्चितम्
Meaning is? Akasham Pashyataha, he sees a sky. Right? And what does he do?
Thinks of reaching it.
Things, and also moving, going.
Moving.
Seeing a sky and thinking is in some other world. Therefore, he is definitely going to fall. Yeah, that's the meaning. Okay. Yes.
So, Artham Janatyah Patantyah Etasu. So this is Saptami. So Artham Janantishu Patantishu Etasu Kapi Anuttirna na bhavati.
Some mistake is there. Do it again.
Which one? Artham Janan. Okay. Artham Janatishu.
That is a mistake. Okay. Num will not come.
Oh, Janat. Okay.
Because
Janatishu.
Srilinga. Right?
Oh.
Yes. So Janatishu.
Janatishu.
Artham Janatishu. Patantishu. Yes, num will come. Because first conjugation. But here it will not come. Pratipadikam is Janati. So Janatishu, Patantishu, Etasu, Kopi Anuttirna Nabhavati. What is the meaning?
Those who are
Not those who are. We are talking
the girls.
No. Yeah. Kapi means no one. I mean, no girls. Yes.
So the one who are understanding and reading.
Those who read and understand, among the girls is talking about, no one, no girls, no girl.
Nabhavati means they are not successful, is it?
They will not fail.
Okay.
Anuttirna is failing. Uttirna is pass. Anuttirna, nabhavati, negative, double negative it is. Uttirna, na uttirna, anuttirna, failing. Failing is not there for anyone.
Okay.
Those female girls, they study, I mean, knowing the meaning and then reading, right? Okay. So I was seeing the Pantaha Patin Shabda and Nityam Gachati. Panto na Nityam Tadita Sutra. Marge Nityam Gachati. By that Patin Shabda, Tadita Pratyaya, Na Pratyaya is that Na, more than your Na. Nitvat, Adi Vriddhi happens, of course. Taditeshu Ashamadehe, then you get this word. Pantaha. Sutram is specifically one that sutram for that. Okay. Panto na nityam. Pantaha you get. Okay.
हसन्तः जल्पन्तः कार्यं कुर्वन्तः एतेषु श्रद्धा नास्ति एव हसत्सु जल्पत्सु कार्यं कुर्वत्सु एतेषु श्रद्धा नास्ति एव
एतेषु what vibhakti?
सप्तमी बहुवचन.
What saptami? Okay, I think I told you or not. There are
among 1 second.
Not among.
Not that.
Yeah, you can say among. Yes, right only. Among, yes. Hmm. Yes, correct. Among the eteshu referring
Among
to the people, among these people, among the people, among them, asantaha, karyam, asan, what did you say? Read again. What would the answer give?
Hasatsu
Asatsu.
Jalpatsu.
Asatsu jalpatsu karyam kurvatsu. It is asatsu. Yes. Because pullinga, therefore, just thinking, if it is napumsakalinga, then also same only.
Hmm.
Jalpasu, asansu, jalpansu, karyam kurvatsu, eteshu, shraddha nasti. This is nirdharana saptami. Nirdharana
But
saptami.
but
Eteshu.
Guruji,
Uh,
it doesn't have like that distinct who is the one that is being distinguished. That is not
Gopi.
there. Okay.
No one is there.
Hmm.
Eteshu, shraddha nasti. Eteshu is a samudaya, and what is distinguished is shraddha. And yes, we want to distinguishing what is distinguished. It is eteshu
It
shraddha nasti. Or just we can take it as adhikarana
normal
saptami.
Saptami.
Yes,
Hmm. Hmm. Adhikar-
because eteshu shraddha nasti says it doesn't talk about any particular person.
Hmm.
Samudaya is there, what is distinguished is there. But who is distinguished? That jati, guna, kriya. Okay, jati, guna, kriya is there. What is distinguished? Okay. Yeah, the distinguisher is not there. The one who is
Hmm.
distinct. Yeah.
Hmm.
So you can take it as it is just Aupashleshika Saptami. That's Adhikarana Saptami, otherwise. Simple Adhikarana Saptami.
Hmm.
Adhikarana, we have got the Adhara Adhikaranam. It is Vishaya Saptami? No. It is Abhivyapaka? That also no. Abhivyapaka also we can take, in fact, possible. Buddho Jnanam Asti, when we say, Jnanam is there where? In the
Buddha.
Buddhi.
Hmm.
So which part of the Buddhi? We don't say it is Buddhi, all over the Buddhi. Like Tileshu Tailam, oil is there in the seed. Which part of the seed? The entire seed. That is called Abhivyapaka. It is pervading the entire seed, the oil. Similarly, Buddhi is Buddhi. Therefore, Buddha, Jnanam, we say,
Hmm.
Aupashleshika. Sorry, Abhivyapaka. Similarly, these people, when we say, we can take it as Abhivyapaka. We cannot categorically say this is what it is, but it is not a Nirdharana. One more factor is required. Yes. Okay. So therefore, not Nirdharana. Yes. Okay, next one. Uchitaihi Shatranta Rupaihi. Rittastalani Puraniyani. This is what we are going to see next topic. Puraniyani, Aniyar Pratyaya, Krityas.
Hmm.
Atra Sahayartam Avarane Kriyapada Rupani Dadishtani. Kriyayaha Padam Kriyapadam Kriyapadasya Rupam Tani Kriyapada Rupani compound. Tesham Shatranta Rupam Shatrantasya Rupam Pratamam Ohaniyam. Again,
Hmm.
Aniya Pratyaya should be Oha, should be guessed, inferred. Tataha Visheshanugunataya. Visheshanugunam. Then Tasya Bhavaha Visheshanugunata Taya Tritiya. Shatranta Padasya Linga Vachana Bhaktayaha Yojaniyaha. The Bhakti is Napumsaka Srilinga, therefore Yojaniya Atipadikam. See, you are used many Aniya Pratyaya. Puraniyani, Nidrishtani, Uhaniyam, Yojaniyaha, all these are Krityas. So Kritantas we see those in the usage very well. Anyway, Shatranta here is Jalpanam Karoti, Balika Agachati, Adhyapakam na Drashtavati. So Balika Adhyapakam na Drashtavati. Okay. So Adhyapaka is qualified by Agachati. Pullinga, therefore Agachantam. Agachantam Adhyapakam Balika na Drashtavati. So karma is qualified by the Shatranta. Karma is Adhyapaka. Qualified by the Shatranta. And Karta also qualified. What is the Karta? Balika. So Jalpanam Kurvati Balika. Thus, it's a nice thing. Slowly you will see the sentence. Other Karakas are there. They also will have their Shatranta as Visheshanam. So here, previously, many Shatrantas qualifying the same. Now, Shatranta qualifying different Karakas. Karta is Balika, which is qualified by Kurvati. Adhyapaka is Karma, qualified by Agachantam. Similarly, please do.
भाषणं करोति भाषणकारः गच्छति श्रोतॄन् न लक्षितवान्. ओके. भाषणं करोति भाषणकारः गच्छति श्रोतॄन्.
What is the verb here?
Lakshitavan.
Ask question kaha. Subject is?
Shrotran. Sorry,
No.
Bhashanakaraha.
Bhashanakaraha na Lakshitavan. Then question comes. Lakshitavan means did not bother. Didn't pay attention. Lakshitavan. Didn't bother.
Shrotra.
He didn't bother. Whom did he bother?
Gachan.
The audience. The Shrotra. And what these Shrotra, the audience, were doing?
Bhashanam.
No. The Shrotras, listeners,
They were
audience.
coming. Gachati.
Going.
While
he's speaking, they are moving away, going. So Shrotra and Vadvibhakti in keeping with Visheshanam also. Shatranta Visheshanam would be?
Gachataha.
Simple. Gachataha. Shrotruna Lakshitavan. And Bhashanakaraha is qualified by?
Kurvantaha. Bhashanam kurvantaha.
Kurvan.
Kurvan. Bhashanam kurvan bhashanakaraha.
Yes. Bhashanam kurvan bhashanakaraha gachatah shrotruna lakshitavan. Right? Okay. Next sentence.
दूरदर्शनं पश्यति महिलया उद्गच्छति क्षीरं न दृष्टम्. दूरदर्शनं पश्यता महिलया उद्गच्छतं क्षीरं न दृष्टम्.
There is some mistake is there. Instead of Doordarshanam, we can have Jangama Doordarshanam and reels. Huh? Okay, I'm just joking. No? Doordarshanam. Maybe when this book was printed, that time Doordarshanam. Now it is Jangama Doordarshanam, mobile. Okay. What is the mistake?
Utgachantam.
No. You said Pashyata, you said, right? Pashyata is Pullinga, number one. Pashyantaha.
Pashyanti.
Pashyantya.
Very good.
Pashyantya, sorry.
Pashyanti is a Pratipadikam. Numa also is said that. Then Tritiya would be Pashyantya. Doordarshanam Pashyantya. Mahila Doordarshanam Pashyati.
Pashyantya.
Then Pashyantya Mahilaya. Then Kshiram is qualified by
Udgachatam.
Udgachatam, no. Kshiram napumsakalinga. You have to be alert here.
Udgachat.
Udgachat. Kshiram is
Udgat-
qualified by
Gachat.
Udgach. Means Udgat means coming up, rising. The milk,
Mm.
the
Mm.
boiling, she's probably boiling. She's seeing the TV.
Mhm.
So na drishtam Udgachat. Gachat. How do you decline? Napumsakalinga. Gachat shabda. Gachat.
Gachanti. Gachanta.
Gachanti.
Udgachan.
Gachanti.
Udgachanta.
Therefore Udgachat.
Udgachanti.
No. This is
Udgat.
one. It is kshiram. Na drishtam. Kshiram is one. It's ekavachanam.
Yeah, udgachate.
Udgachat only, not gachati.
Mm.
Udgachat kshiram na drishtam. Kaya mahilaya.
Mm.
Kidrishaya mahilaya. Duradarashanam. Pashyantya mahilaya. Okay, next one.
Geetam Shrunoti dash putram pakam karoti mata ahutavati.
Who calls
So
whom?
mother is calling the son.
Yes.
So it will be Geetam Shrunvantam putram pakam kurvati mata ahutavati.
Very good. Yes. Next sentence.
Roditi balakaya hasati mata modak.
Balakaya, not balakaya.
Oh, sorry. Balakaya.
Balakaya, the any word in the language. No.
Hmm.
Yeah, balikaya is a balakaya, not there.
Hmm. Hmm. Roditi balakaya hasati mata modakam dattavati. Mata modakam dattavati.
Yes.
What kind of mata? Has dhatu is which conjugation?
First conjugation.
Okay, so hasanti mata. And then roditi balakaya. So rud dhatu.
Second conjugation.
Rudat.
Yes.
Rudata. Sorry, no, balakaya. For. So, rudate. Rudate balakaya hasanti mata modakam dattavati.
Yes. This dhatu is something special dhatu. Roditi. When ittakama also will come. Sarva dhatu bhyaha also. Generally, ada dhatu ka pratyaya taking ittakama. This is something special. Ruddhatu. Rudadibhyaha. Sarva dhatu ke pratyaye pare hit bhavati. Ittakama will come. That E, what you see here in Latlakara, it is due to ittakama. That's special case. Roditi. Then Ruditaha, Rudanti, Rodishi, Ruditaha, Rudita, then Rodini, Rudvaha, Rudmaha iti rupam. Okay, next sentence.
Mandam gachati marjaraha dhavati moshakam grihitavan. Mandam gachantaha marjaraha dhavat moshakam grihitavan.
No.
Gachantam dhavantam
Dhavantam,
dhavantam
Mandam,
moshakam
yeah. Mandam,
grihitavan.
Mandam Gachan, Marjaraha, Dhavantam Moshakam, Grihitavan. Okay. Mandam is, what is Mandam there?
Slow.
Slow.
Yeah, what Karaka?
Softly. Oh.
Not softly. Mandam is slowly.
Okay.
It is Kriya Visheshanam. So don't, it's not Karaka. It is Kriya Visheshanam, adverb. Therefore, only Ditya Bhakti, Napumsakalinga, Ekavasanantatvam. Marjaraha Mandam Gachati. Yata Mandam Avati, Tata Gachati. That is how we give the Vigraha Vakya. Yata Mandam Gachati. Mandam Bhavati. Tata Gachati. Mandam Gachati. Kriya Visheshanam. Klibatvam, Ditya Ekavachanantam Ishyate. On Vartikam is that. Or it is Kriya Visheshanam. Adverb. Next sentence.
फल फलं खादति. That one, Guruji.
Yeah, that's one. Yes.
So, फलं खादति पुत्राय असति अम्बया क्षीरं दपत्.
Mm.
So, फलं putraya. This is Chaturthi.
Yes.
Is it putraya?
Kadat Shabda Pullinga, Chaturthi would be.
Kadate,
Yeah.
Kadate putraya asati, it will become asantiya, it will become
Yes, yes.
asantiya ambaya kshiram datta. Ambaya.
Karmani it is. Prayoga. Kshiram Dattam. Milk was given by the mother. By the
The
mother who
person.
is smiling.
To the son.
To the son who is
Was
eating
eating
fruit.
fruits.
Okay.
विलम्बेन आगच्छन्ति छात्रान् तर्जयितुं विलम्बेन आगच्छति अध्यापकस्य कः अधिकारः?
Then what to do? You have to welcome them with red carpet. Huh? Oh, okay.
So विलम्बेन आगच्छतः छात्रान् तर्जयितुं विलम्बेन.
Oh, okay. Teacher also comes late. Okay,
Slowly.
then also not judge. Then also it is not accept. Teacher can come. Student should not come. Teacher will be scolded by his teacher, principal. It's not the business of the students. You have come late. This happens in Gurukulam also. Sometimes I go late. Students also. I will not tell. If I tell them, they will argue with me. You are coming late. I don't have any answer to say that. So first of all, we have to go on time because they're all grown-up people. So we cannot expect them. Towards Sanskrit teacher having the respect and all. It is a thankless job only. With Vedanta teacher, they cannot argue. You know what will happen. We argue with the teacher there now. They cannot argue. Anyway, Swamiji comes late every time to our class. Then shall we come late? No. Swamiji has got a lot of business to do. So when he comes out from his room, people will be waiting. Sometimes business people, some rich people, some other people also. He gives attention to everyone, and then either if the problem is then and then it's solvable, solve it. Otherwise, he say, okay, I will go to the class and come. You also come to the class. You bring them also. Like that happens. So, because Swamiji comes late, okay, let me go late. Students are supposed to sit and chant the Bhashyam, read the Bhashyam or chant the shloka. Okay. Anyway.
So विलम्बेन आगच्छतः छात्रान् तर्जयितुं विलम्बेन आगच्छतः अध्यापकस्य कः अधिकारः?
Nice.
तपति तपति सूर्यस्य आतपात् पीडिताः जनाः गृहं गत्वा चलति व्यजनस्य अधः उपविशन्ति.
Can you do the translation if the sentences are in English?
No, Guruji.
No,
It's struggle.
difficult. Yeah.
Actually, we should do like that. I should not have given like this. Should come English sentence and convert into, but all the words you know it. Some vocabulary, of course, you can refer to the dictionary. But Shatranta to be used, you have to think of using Shatranta. That is the challenge. Yeah, please read.
तपतः सूर्यस्य आतपात् पीडिताः जनाः गृहं गत्वा चलतः व्यजनस्य अधः उपविशन्ति.
Chalatah. Vejanam is Napumsakalinga. Chalatah only. Okay. Next sentence.
Next one. Kridanti balakaihi Pravahati nadyam shila patita. So
Patita.
patita, sorry. It will be क्रीडत बिहि बालकैः प्रवहन्त्यां नद्यां शिला पातिता.
Meaning is
They are
boys
taking
throw
stones or
into
throwing
through the stones.
stones
Yeah. Throw
in the
stones
river.
into the flowing river. And the boys are playing.
Hmm.
The boys who are playing throw through the stones into the river, flowing river.
Hmm.
Bhavarte also ta pratyaya can be used. So patita may not be only past tense. Bhava. Bhavarte api bhavati. Bhavekta pratyaya. Ta in general it is past. Yeah. But of course there are some exceptions are there. Vartamani apikta bhavati.
Guruji,
Okay.
here Shila is
Srilinga.
which?
Srilinga.
Okay. Hmm. Hmm.
We say Shalagrama Shila. Shila. Shila is stone. Shila can mean mountain also. They cannot throw the mountain, right? It's a stone.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Linga, Shivalinga, Shila, stone.
Hmm.
Shilayam we say, Shilayam Vishnu Avahanam. Linge Shiva Avahanam. You invoke in the Shila, the Lord.
Hmm.
So Shila. Yes.
हसति मित्रस्य कोशात् पतति लेखनीम् अहं गृहीतवान्. हसतः मित्रस्य कोशात् पतति लेखनीम्. So लेखनीम्. One second. Koshat patati is qualifying
Lekani only.
Lekanim. Okay. Okay. So Koshat patat patantam patantam Lekanim.
No. Patantam is Pullinga. Patanti. Lekani is Srilinga, right?
Oh yeah. Patantim. Patantim.
I took what? The pen from the pen which is
Fallen.
falling. The falling pen I took from Kosha, from the back of the laughing friend. The friend who is laughing. Right. Okay.
याचते भिक्षुकाय धनं ददातु इति पठति पतिः पाकं करोति पत्नीम् उक्तवान्. याचते भिक्षुकाय धनं ददातु इति पठन् पतिः पाकं कुर्वतीं पत्नीम् उक्तवान्.
Yes, very good. Next one.
क्रीडन्ति बालकेभ्यः जलं यच्छति अम्बायाः साह्यं पुत्रः कृतवान्.
Sahayam. Help. Support.
Okay, साहाय्यं.
From Sahaya you get Sahayam. Tadita Rupa.
So क्रीडन्ति will become क्रीडद्भ्यः बालकेभ्यः जलं यच्छति. So jalam, it will become yachan. Jalam yachan.
No. Yachati Jalam. That Yachati qualifies Amba, right?
Oh.
It qualifies Amba.
Okay. Sambayaha is.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Jalam Echantyaha Ambayaha साहाय्यं पुत्रः कृतवान्, right?
Yeah.
Putra, the son, helped the mother who brings water
Water to the
to
playing.
the boys who are playing. Okay.
शाकं कर्तयति गृहिण्या उद्गच्छति क्षीरं न दृष्टम्.
Something like that similar we saw.
हाँ, शाकं कर्तयति गृहिण्या. So गृहिण्या by गृहिणी. So स्त्रीलिंग. कुर्वन्ति
That is Kurvanti.
कुर्वन् कर्तयति, sorry, कर्तयति. So कर्तयति in Shatra will
Dhatu
be
is Krit Dhatu, 10th conjugation. Kartayati, by seeing the form, you must know that is 10th.
10th conjugation.
Or causative form. It's not causative. Swarte, 10th conjugation it is. So Nish Bhavati.
So is it kritanti?
Kartayantya, not Kru. By Kru.
Oh, sorry. Kartayanti. Kartayantya.
Yes.
Shakam kartayantya गृहिण्या उद्गच्छत् क्षीरं न दृष्टम्.
Udgachat, yes. Next sentence.
पाठं पाठयति पिता दोषं करोति पुत्रं ताडितवान्. पाठं पाठयन् पिता दोषं कुर्वन्तं पुत्रं ताडितवान्.
Yes. Kurvantam puttam taditavan. Okay. Next sentence.
चलनचित्रं पश्यति जनाः नृत्यति नायकं दृष्ट्वा सन्तुष्टाः.
Santushtaha abhavan. Santushtaha itself, you can take it as a playing the role of the verb. Yeah.
So चलनचित्रं
Not
पश्यन्तः.
Jalana Chitram. Chalana.
Chalana, sorry.
Chalana is moving. Jalana is, there is no Jalana, water. Right. So Chalana.
चलनचित्रं पश्यन्तः जनाः नायकं दृष्ट्वा सन्तुष्टाः. So it will be नृत्यन्तं नायकं
Yes.
दृष्ट्वा सन्तुष्टाः.
Yes. Next sentence. Simple. I think meaning you understand.
क्रीडन्ति बालकाः पठति प्राध्यापकस्य अवधानस्य भङ्गं कृतवन्तः.
Pradhyapakaha is professor.
Okay. अवधानस्य भङ्गं. बालकाः. So क्रीडन्तः बालकाः.
Avadhanam is?
Sorry, Guruji.
Avadhanam.
Avadhanam.
Focus. Focus. Focus of the professor. Bhangam, disturb.
Gone.
Disturb, yeah. Bhangam kritavan, disturb. Pradhyapakasya avadhanasya bhangam kritavantaha ke.
Balakaha. Kridantaha balakaha.
And what is pradhyapaka doing?
Patataha pradhyapakasya avadhanasya.
Yes. And balakaha?
Kridantaha.
Kridantaha. Next sentence.
तृणं चरति धेनुः दशति मक्षिका उच्चेन निवारितवती. तृणं चरन् धेनुः दशति
Charan. Why Charan?
धेनुः
Denuhu na Srilinga.
so चरन्ति
Uh,
तृणं चरन्ति धेनुः
hmm.
दश दशत्या correct
What is
Makshika
that? Dashati. Dhatu is
Dashat
Dhatu. So Makshika Trinam Denuhu Trinam Charat Denuhu Nivaritavati. Kim Nivaritavati? Makshika is Makshikam. It's a mistake. You have to find out the mistake also. How can be Makshika? It cannot be Makshika, right? Makshikam. It should be object. Makshika, Makshike, Makshika. So it's a printing mistake. Therefore, what will happen?
Dashanti
So Makshika is Makshikam Srilinga. Therefore, this dhatu is in the first conjugation, dhatu dham. But num will come. So Dashanti, then therefore Dashantim Makshikam.
Dashanti Makshikam Puchena Nivaritavati.
Yes. See, the interesting thing that this is a damsh dhatu. Already Anuswara is there in the original dhatu. But what happens when you decline in lakara, latlakara, that goes away. Not only for this dhatu, another dhatu also is there. Sanj dhatu, there is one rule. When shap follows, it will go away. Therefore, dashati, dashataha, dashanti. When shap follows, it goes away. And here num comes. That is because of shatra pratyaya. Therefore, dashati is a pratipadikam, pullinge, and dashanti is a pratipadikam, srilinge. First conjugation. Therefore, makshikam, then dashantim, it would be. Okay. Next sentence.
Vatse patati.
Vatse is sambodha. Vatse. You have to read like that. Here, Vatse is what? Vachanam.
Saptami. Saptami Ekvach.
1 minute. Full sentence I'm reading. So, Vatse. Vatse must be a Srilinga. Okay. Vatsa, Erame. It's a Sambodhana. Not Saptami. Saptami here has no meaning. And he has given.
Okay.
It is given, the Kama is given. So, Vatsa, Vatse, Vatsaha. 8-1. Okay, it will be Vatse. Vatse. Ahuya. Call. You call.
All the
Yes.
all the brothers, sisters.
So that is qualified by a Shatranta.
So Patati Anujam will become Patantam Anujam.
Yes.
Likati Agrajam will become Likanti Agrajam. Snati Agrajam will become Snanantam Agrajam.
Snanantam. Snati is Shnadhatu, second conjugation. I think we saw this. What did you decline? Huh? Not option. Shnadhatu, the shap will come, shap will go away. You get Snati, Snati, Snataha, Snanti. The first Snan, Snanto, Snantaha, Snantam. What did you say? What did you say? I'm not sure. Yes. What do you say?
Oh, I said Snanantam. I said
okay. Yeah. That's not correct. Okay. It is It is a second conjugation. Stan, stanto, stantah, stantam. Okay, not stanantam. We have seen this in the document. It is there. Please check. Shatranta done. Then shanach. Shanach kartari. Vartamanarte. Atmanepadi dhatu nam. Atmanepadi dhatu. It's a compound. Atmanepadi dhatavaha. Atmanepadi dhatavaha. Tesham atmanepadi dhatu nam. In the sense of present, shanach pratyaha bhavati. परस्मैपदीनां शत्रु प्रत्यय भवति इति पूर्वमेव ज्ञातं विनो पूर्वमेव विरड् शानच् प्रत्यये आन इति भागः अवशिष्यते चकारस्य इत् वर्णः चकारस्यापि अनन्तमित् therefore content is ana शानजन्तरूपाणि वर्धमानः कम्पमाना वन्दमानम् इत्यादयः we have seen all this. So बालकः वर्धमानः अस्ति वर्धमानः अस्ति is equal to what? वर्धमानः अस्ति is equal to वर्धते, right? What is patati? Patan asti patati. Gachan asti gacchati. Vardhamanaha asti dhatu is vrdha dhatu. Vardhate, vardhete, vardhante. So vardhamanaha asti. Similarly, vruddhaha shayanaha asti would be shete.
Shete.
So here, for all adantanga, mukkagama will come. So that is one point. Then you get mana. Shanach become, ana will become mana. For adantanga. And adantanga we have 1, 4, 6, 10. Right? Only
Yes.
adantanga, rasva. Okay, please note. Shayanaha is she dhatu, second conjugation. Therefore, it is not adantanga with regard to thing pratyaya. Therefore, mukkahama will come. Just add ana. She plus ana, something else happen. She becomes shaya, then shayana you get. So, प्रथम उदाहरणे मान इति रूपं दृश्यते द्वितीय उदाहरणे आन इति एतावदेव दृश्यते. So you know the difference. तयोः भेदः कः इति वयं जानीमः एव. तन्नाम प्रथमे उदाहरणे मान मकारः अधिकतया श्रूयते. एषः मकारः मुक् आगमा सम्बन्धी कनेक्टेड टू मुक् आगमा. मुक् आगमा will come for adantanga. एवं च शानजन्तं रूपं ज्ञातव्यं चेत् मकारः मुक् आगम कुत्र करणीयः कुत्र न करणीयः. Where it will come, where it will not come, where it will come, you know. Adanta anga. शत्रन्ते श्रीलिङ्गे कुत्र नकारः करणीयः कुत्र न करणीयः इति निर्णयार्थं भवन्तः वर्तमानकाले क्रियापदस्य प्रथमपुरुषे एकवचनस्य रूपे ति प्रत्ययपूर्वं कस्वरः अस्ति इति दृष्टवन्तः खलु. You want to know the शत्रन्त श्रीलिङ्ग. प्रथमपुरुष एकवचनं गच्छति. Before e what is there? Therefore there mukkahama will come. It's just helping you. So kampate, for example, vardate, before ti or te, a is there, therefore kampamana, vardhamana. What about krinite? Before e, it is not, before te, it is not a, therefore it is not mana, it is ana, therefore krinana. Already all these things we have seen. Okay, so we can skip this. Directly we can go to this. Vardate, vardhamanaha, chinute, ana armana. Before te, what is there? It is for fifth conjugation. Therefore, it's not adantanga. Therefore, mana cannot, mukkagama cannot be there. Therefore, ana. Dhatu is chi plus chi dhatu. Ganavikarana nu. Chi plus nu plus ana. Just do yan sandhi. Chinvana. And kuru dhatu is something special. Kurvana. Right? Kurvanaha. Then bhungte. Bunjadhatu. Bunjharaha. Some forms you need to know. If you know the dhatu and Ganavikarana and comes and goes and are not adantanga, then it's easy. Otherwise, so kampate will become kampamanaha. Adite,
Adiyana.
adiyanaha, very good. Yudhyate, Before te,
युध्यमानः
yudyamanaha. Right? Vardate,
वर्धमानः
वर्धमानः
vardamana. Chinnute,
चिन्वानः
chinmanaha. Adriyate,
आद्रियमानः
adriyamana.
आद्रियमानः
Yes. Mriyate,
म्रियमाण
प्रियमानः
bhunkte,
भुञ्जानः
भुञ्जानः
bunjana. Strilinge will be bunjana. Okay, make it akaranta. Simple. Prayunkte, prayunjana.
प्रयुञ्जानः
भुञ्जानः
Kurute,
कुर्वाणः
कुर्वाणः
kurvanaha. Tanute,
तन्वानः
तन्वानः
krinite.
क्री-
Kri plus
क्रीणाः
na plus ana.
क्रीणानः
Krinana. Grinite.
क्रीणान
Grinana. Janite.
जान
जानान
Janana. Prartayate.
प्रार्थयमान
प्रार्थयमानः
Prartayamana. Dash Aishwaryam. Saha Aishwaryam Praptavan. Saha Vardhamanaha. Saha, the one, the person, he who is growing. Got Aishwaryam. Dhanam Praptavan. Yes. Please start with Mahita.
सः वरं प्राप्तवान् so वन्दमानः सः वरं प्राप्तवान्
Yes. Next sentence.
सा धनं स्मृतवती क्रीण क्री- क्रीणा क्रीणीना
No. Krinana only.
क्रीणाना ओके क्रीणाना सा धनं स्मृतवती
Next sentence. Raja.
one second. The third one, right? Adi
Yeah.
dash
Atitihi.
aditihi triptim prakatitavan.
Expressed their satisfaction, the tripti.
Bunjanah
Yes. Bunjaraha atitihi
atihi triptim
triptim prakatitavan. Okay, next sentence.
dash नक्षत्रं भूमौ पतितं प्रकाशते प्रकाशमानं
Yes.
नक्षत्रं
Yes.
प्रकाशमानं नक्षत्रं भूमौ पतितम्
Yes. Next sentence.
अध्यापकः सन्तोषं प्राप्तवान् परीक्षमाणः अध्यापकः सन्तोषं प्राप्तवान्
Yes.
next one dash balika swapnam drishtavati sheti sheti will become shayana
Yes.
balika swapnam drishtavati
Yes. Good. Next sentence.
कन्या मौनम् आश्रितवती
In Vipassana.
लज्जमाना कन्या मौनम् आश्रितवती
Yes. Right. Vipassana only, right?
yes Guruji
Hmm.
but I am not lajjamana
Okay. Next sentence.
सैनिकः शत्रुं प्रहृतवान्
Prahritava.
प्रहृतवान् युध्यमानः सैनिकः शत्रुं प्रहृतवान्
Yes.
next one dash palam sorry dash chorah arakshakai grihitah
Yes.
palayati so it will become palayamanah chorah arakshakai grihitah
Kaihi, not kai, kaihi. Arakshakaihi, visarga.
arakshakaihi grihitah
Yes. Parayaman means escaping. Okay.
लम्बमानं फलं बालकः गृहीतवान्
Lambamaram is not long polam, hanging. The fruit which is hanging.
Hanging.
वृक्षात् लम्बमानं फलम्. Okay, next sentence.
कंटकं सः अपनीतवान्
Kantaka is thorn.
बाध-
You remove the thorn.
बाधमानं कंटकं सः अपनीतवान्
Yes. Number 12.
दुःखानि
Dukkani.
dash सा कष्टेन जीवति. So दुःखानि सहमाना सा कष्टेन जीवति.
Yes.
नूतन वस्त्रेण डैश पुत्री गर्वेण गृहे संचरति. शोभमानी पुत्री.
No, Shabamana only.
Oh, पुत्री शोभमाना. Sorry.
Shanach will give only A pratyaya,
top.
top pratyaya.
So,
Next sentence. Yeah.
शाकविक्रयिका तत्र गता विक्रीणा शाकविक्रयिका तत्र गता
Yes.
Next one dash बालकाः क्रीडितुं गतवन्तः मोदन्ति. So it will become मोदमानाः
Yes.
बालकाः क्रीडितुं गतवन्तः.
Yeah. Next sentence.
डैश वृक्षाः नितरां दुर्बलाः सन्ति. कंपमानाः वृक्षाः नितरां दुर्बलाः सन्ति.
भिक्षुकाः दैन्यं प्रदर्शयन्ति याचमानाः दैन्यं प्रदर्शयन्ति
Okay.
Next one dash भवन्तः आनिं प्राप्नुवन्ति परन्ति. become त्वरमानाः भवन्तः आनिं प्राप्नुवन्ति.
Yeah. If you, all of you, if you hurry, you will lose. Okay. Yeah.
जनाः फलं प्राप्नुवन्ति. प्रयत्नमानाः जनाः फलं प्राप्नुवन्ति. प्रयतमानाः जनाः फलं प्राप्नुवन्ति.
Yes.
वानराः कीचकुर्वन्ति उत्प्लमानाः वानराः कीचकुर्वन्ति
Keech shabdam kurbanti. Keech. Okay. We'll stop here. Om Purnamatah Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadah.
धन्यवाद गुरुजी.
धन्यवाद